How to log into Flagstar Bank online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Or also you can launch the Flagstar online banking app. But for this video, I'm going to use the web version. Now over here, you will see the search box. Type in Flagstar Bank login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on this very first one, flagstarbank.com. Open it. With that, you will land to the official website of Flagstar. Now at the top right, you will find different icons. Click on this one icon. Over here, you will find this section of available accounts. Click on that drop down and select the option of online banking. After you set it to online banking, now you have to provide your details, username and password. So go ahead and type in your username. Likewise, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of sign up and do that. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this is how you can easily log into Flagstar Bank online banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.